lying areas. Now, earlier it was always the east coast that would in fact witness more cyclones in a year. Scientists, however, now believe that it's the Arabian Sea that's fast becoming the hotbed of cyclones. Climatologists say that rising temperature could be turning the Arabian Sea into the new cyclone generator thanks to climate change.
Cyclone Tauktae has pummeled India's western coast from Kerala and Tamil Nadu to Maharashtra and Gujarat. It is the first major cyclone to originate in the Arabian Sea, long considered peaceful this year. Since 1891, conventional wisdom in climatology put the average number of cyclones building in the North Indian Ocean at 5 a year. Only one of the 5 emerged in the Arabian Sea. However, in the past 3 to 4 years, Arabian Sea seems to have become a hotbed of cyclones. In 2018, while the Bay of Bengal maintained its average 4 cyclones a year, the Arabian Sea produced 3 cyclonic storms. In 2019, the Arabian Sea overtook the Bay of Bengal with 5 cyclones to 3. In 2020, the Bay of Bengal produced 3 cyclonic storms, while the Arabian Sea generated 2. In May end and early June, 3 cyclones had made news, 2 including Nisarga in the Arabian Sea and Amphan in the Bay of Bengal. Scientists attribute increased frequency of cyclones in the Arabian Sea to climate change. Climate scientist Hiroyuki Murakami in his study found that 64% of cyclones in the Arabian Sea in recent years were caused by climate change. Scientists studying cyclones have observed that the surface temperature in the Arabian Sea has been rising for about 40 years. Heat is food for cyclones. The temperature in the Bay of Bengal usually remains above 28 degrees Celsius. The Arabian Sea, in contrast, used to have temperature 1 to 2 degrees Celsius lower than that in the Bay of Bengal. Now the rise in temperature in the Arabian Sea has pushed it in the 30 to 31 degrees Celsius zone of India's west coast, especially in the midsection around Goa. Tauktae originated in the same region. If climate change keeps pushing sea surface temperatures in the Arabian Sea on the same pattern, its cyclonic equation with the Bay of Bengal may change forever. Bureau Report, India Today.